Hi guys, I just did this look for a quick evening out with some of my friends. It's going to be kind of a darkish place, but I've kept it simple, just a black dress, and as usual my favorite, the smoky eyes. It's a kind of a soft smoky eye look. Hope you like it. There is no liquid foundation and it's quite easy. Here's the tutorial. I'm going to just prep my eyes with a concealer and a powder before I start my eye makeup. I'm going to take a dark brown eyeshadow and a soft brush like this. First, I'm going to do the cut crease. Just tap your brush and start flicking it towards the inside, but keep it on the crease and on the corners. And if you have hooded eyes, take the crease higher up. Once again, stamp it so that the darkest part is in the corner, and then bring it onto your crease and blend it out till there are no harsh lines. Now take your black eyeshadow and start from the absolute lash line and go up. The most important thing about a soft smoky eye is blending. You have to blend with patience. Then take a soft clean brush and blend out everything. Now take a lighter brown, almost a skin tone, to blend the crease further. Now with a thinner brush, just intensify the black part. Then take your powder brush and just clean out your under eye in case any product has fallen on your face. Now I'm going to moisturize my face before I do the rest of my makeup. I'm going to be done with my concealer and my powder foundation before I do the rest of the eye makeup. I'm going to use my powder foundation in a really light manner, especially under my eyes. That way my makeup will be light and it will look more natural. I'm going to just set my eyebrows with a transparent gel. Take any black kohl and line your lower outer lash line. and then smudge it out with a pencil brush. Now smoke it out further with a brown eyeshadow. I'm using a nude kohl on my lower waterline. This also makes your eyes look bigger. If you want it to be more intense, you can replace that with a black kohl. With smoky eyes, be generous with your mascara and the effect will be really glamorous. I always prep my lips with a nude lip liner. You could use any nude lip liner of your choice. Then I'm going to line it further with a darker brown because I'm going to keep my lips lighter. I prefer a nudish lipstick when it comes to smoky eyes as it balances the whole makeup. I'm going to do some light contouring with a powder-based contour palette and a very soft brush. A cheek tint or a blush is a must for me. And an evening out is pretty incomplete without some good highlighting. Use your highlighter on your brow bone as well. Just make sure it's on the outer brow bone, not all the way inside. I'm going to add a nice lip gloss and my makeup is done.